But now, knowing that hop-latent viroid is present, cleaning the trimmers between every single plant is something that I've been doing religiously now.
Yes,
And
it's very important. Yeah.
just to confirm what you should be using for a solution. Now, some people say, okay, isopropyl alcohol, that's going to be good enough. Other people say, no, isopropyl alcohol isn't going to kill off the viroid. You want to use a bleach cleaning solution instead and dilute it at a 1 to 10, 1 part bleach, 10 parts water. What's your
Yes.
recommendation for that?
Yes, absolutely. So, when we're talking about viroids, isopropyl alcohol or any alcohol is probably the worst thing that you can do. So it's not effective at all in killing viroids, and it actually alcohol is one of the things we use to stabilize free floating genetic information in the lab, and so it actually increases the transmission of the viroid from plant to plant if you use alcohol. So when they did these studies in, I believe it was tomato plants with a viroid, and they showed that if you do nothing, absolutely nothing, there's a 75% chance if you don't clean those scissors of spreading it. If you dip the scissors in isopropyl and then cut the plant, it goes up to 95%. So just throw the isopropyl out, use it for something else, because it's not a good idea for viroids. And to be totally honest, it's not 100% effective on bacteria or fungal pathogens either. So you're exactly right. If you're trying to limit the spread, bleach is incredibly effective. And that's that 10% solution that you were talking about, which is 1 part bleach, 9 parts water. When you are going to get bleach, you want to grab that bleach bottle from the Super Walmart or whatever and make sure that it has 6% of sodium hypochlorite or higher. So that would be the active ingredient. And then when you get that bottle home, put a date on it. And at 6 months, you should toss it and get another one because the activity will go down over time. It's very effective at killing viroids. So all you need is 60 seconds. It's probably less, but we recommend 60 in case there's like goo and stuff on the scissors. That it just needs to sit in there, and then the viroid is completely deactivated. Usually I recommend if you're trimming a bunch of plants, just have several pairs of scissors. You can just grab one, the others are in the bleach. When you're done with one plant, you put it in the back, then you grab the next one in the front. And so you always have a supply of scissors that are clean. It is kind of caustic on your cutting tools. So if you're concerned about them or they're very valuable to you, put them in there for 60 seconds and then move them into like a cup of water. Tap water is fine. That will keep them from rusting.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.